Aloo Kasa is a classic semi-dry Odia potato curry that is all about slow roasting the spices until they are kasa. It's ultimate comfort food for Odias. So usually paired with hot puris, paratas, even pakhal bhat. So let's start cooking. So heat a little mustard oil in a pan. Add the whole jeera, green chili, chopped onions. Mix with the medium heat until they turn a deep golden brown. Add some amount of red chili powder, turmeric powder. Now add the ginger garlic paste and mix it properly until the raw smell disappears. In between, I'll take 4 to 5 medium potatoes. You have to boil, peel and cut in the pieces like cube. Now you can add basic masalas like turmeric powder, chili powder, jeera powder, coriander powder and curry powder and cook the masala on low heat. If you like a bit of tangy, then you can add one finely chopped tomato after the ginger garlic paste. Splashing tiny amount of water if it sticks until oil separates from the sides. Add small amount of salt as per your taste. Mix it for 2 to 3 minutes until oil separates from the sides. Add boiled potatoes to this masala. Toss boiled potatoes well so every cube is coated. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes on low heat so potatoes soak up the flavors. Add half cup of water if you want a little gravy or keep it dry. Now aloo kasa is ready. So add a sprinkle of garam masala and you can add freshly chopped coriander leaves on top.